ready to fuel your Safepal wallet and dive deeper into the world of crypto. Before we begin, make sure you have your Safepal wallet set up and initialized. We're going to cover how to deposit funds into it, ensuring everything is done safely and correctly. First, you'll need some crypto. If you don't already have some, head over to a reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken and purchase the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Make sure the exchange supports the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit to the Safepal wallet. Now, open your Safepal app and navigate to the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Tap the Receive button. This will display your unique wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. You'll see a QR code and a long string of characters. That's your wallet address. Double-check that you're on the correct network. For example, if you're sending Ethereum, make sure your Safepal wallet is set to the Ethereum network. Using the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Back on the exchange, go to the withdrawal or send section for the crypto you're depositing. Carefully paste your Safepal wallet address into the recipient address field again. Triplet check that this address matches the one displayed in your Safepal app. Enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction on the exchange. Some exchanges may require two-factor authentication or other security measures. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be broadcast to the blockchain. It will take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, you'll see the funds reflected in your Safepal wallet, and that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Safepal wallet. Remember to always double-check addresses and network compatibility to keep your crypto safe. Stay safe and happy hodling.